Just trying to keep it smoother. On the power loop. Alright, gotta drop it. Come on, keep dropping. There we go. Nope. It's kind of weird to see its signal on this side of the... That's because I'm really close to it, but usually that side of the park always like goes like... It's really nice right now. Cool. Whew. I think I'm getting better at it. Flips and rolls, at least to kind of level them out at the end. And again, I'm not a pincher. Use my thumbs only on the sticks. I think I tried it at some point when I heard someone saying, oh yeah, some people are pinchers. I was like, is there any benefit or I feel more comfortable with it? I don't think I found any difference. I was like, yeah, it's more of an annoyance because then you have 2 fingers on each stick, and then you have 3 to kind of barely grab, which you have your strap anyway, but not having that much grip on your controller is kind of like, meh. Alright, I'm coming back. Yeah, these betters are not barely going over 3 minutes. And also I'm punching them. If I just hover around, I can keep 5, or used to do 5, I'm guessing 4 right now because of the cold.